Excuse me? Hi. Could you help me find the metro entrance?
Sure thing. You're right in front of it. Just down those stairs.
Oh, really? Laughs. I've been standing here for 5 minutes.
Happens to everyone the first time. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved to Dubai last week.
Welcome. You're going to love the metro. It's super clean and efficient.
That's great. Is it easy to use?
Very easy. You just need an NOL card to enter.
Oh, I've heard about that. Where do I get one?
There's a ticket machine just inside. I can show you.
That would be amazing. Thanks.
No problem. I take the metro almost every day.
It must save a lot of money compared to taxis.
Definitely. And no traffic stress.
Perfect. Let's go. I'm excited for my first ride. Wow, this station looks so modern.
Yeah, Dubai metro stations are spotless and well-designed.
Okay, here's the ticket machine. It looks simple.
Yep. Choose English on the screen first.
Done. Now it says buy NOL card.
Perfect. Choose Silver Card. That's best for regular commuters.
All right. And how much should I top up?
Try 20 dirhams for now. It's enough for a few trips.
Done. Oh, look, it just came out of the machine.
Great. Now tap your card here to check the balance.
It says 20 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Nice.
Awesome. Remember, this card also works for buses and trams.
Wow, that's so convenient.
Exactly. Just tap in when you enter and tap out when you leave.
Got it. That seems simple enough. So I just tap here, right?
Yep, on the blue circle.
Oh, it beeped.
That means it's accepted. You're officially a metro traveler now.
That was easy.
Just make sure you don't tailgate behind someone else.
Noted.
Also, always keep your card with you until you exit.
Otherwise, it might charge extra, right?
Exactly. You're learning fast.
I'm trying my best. I don't want to look like a lost tourist.
You're doing fine. Let's head to the platform.
Sure. Which line are we taking?
The red line. It connects most of the city.
Sounds perfect. Lead the way. It's so quiet and clean here.
Yeah, eating or drinking is not allowed here.
Oh, really? That explains it.
And see the pink section over there?
Yes, what's that?
That's for women and children. It's more private and comfortable.
That's thoughtful.
Trains usually come every 3 to 5 minutes.
That's fast.
Yep, and they're always on time.
I love how organized everything is.
Look, the next train's arriving in 1 minute.
Should we move closer to the doors?
Yes, but stay behind the yellow line for safety.
Got it. Safety first. Wow, this is so comfortable.
Yeah, smooth ride, air-conditioned, and no noise.
And it's driverless, right?
Exactly. Fully automated and super safe.
That's incredible.
If you sit in the front car, you get an amazing skyline view.
Oh, I'll do that next time.
Also see the screens. They show the next station and route map.
That's helpful for new travelers like me.
Yes, and the announcements are in English and Arabic.
I like that. Easy for everyone to understand.
You'll get used to it quickly.
I already feel like a local.
That's the spirit.
How long until Dubai Mall Station?
About 20 minutes from here.
That's not bad at all.
Nope, and no traffic.
I can already tell this will be my favorite way to travel.
Most people feel the same.
Do you take it to work every day?
Yeah, it's convenient and predictable.
I like that. You can plan your day better.
Exactly. Plus, it's safer than driving when you're tired.
I agree. I hate traffic stress.
You'll love it even more during rush hours. It still moves smoothly.
That's impressive.
You can even read, study, or just relax here.
I'll probably listen to podcasts during my trips.
Great idea.
I can't believe how simple and smooth that was.
Told you. Dubai Metro is world class.
I'll definitely use it again tomorrow.
That's great. Once you learn the lines, it's easy to go anywhere.
Yeah, I'll explore more of the city this weekend.
You should try Jumeirah or Marina next.
Sounds perfect.
Glad I could help today.
You really did. Thanks again, Ryan.
Anytime, Emma. Enjoy your day.
I will. Bye.
Bye. And remember to top up your NOL card.
I won't forget.